Every year, British drivers spend billions of pounds on cars that lose half their value before they are 3 years old, cost a fortune to fix, and make everyone around them think they have absolutely no idea what they are doing with money. The dealers know which cars they are. The mechanics know. The insurance companies know. Here are the 10 cars that people buy when they are not thinking clearly, and 3 that prove the opposite. Number 10. The Tesla Model Y, model years 2022 to 2023, bought new at the top of the market. The Tesla Model Y was the best-selling car in the United Kingdom in 2023. That fact alone should give any buyer pause. When a car is selling in those numbers at those prices, the people buying it are not all enthusiasts who research the decision. Many of them are people who saw a badge, saw the headlines, and signed the papers. The specific problem is what happened to the value. A Tesla Model Y bought new in 2022 for approximately £55,000 was worth between £25,000 and £30,000 by late 2024. That is a 40 to 50% loss in 2 years. According to depreciation data published by AutoHit in February 2026, electric vehicles are currently depreciating at 12 to 18% annually, significantly faster than equivalent petrol cars. The Model Y is among the worst performers in its category. Anyone who bought a Model Y new in 2022, expecting electric vehicles to hold their value, received an expensive education in the gap between the marketing and the numbers. Number 9. The Mercedes-Benz A-Class from 2018 to 2023. The A-Class is the car that lets you put a 3-pointed star on your driveway at the lowest possible price. That is exactly what it was designed to do, and it is exactly why it appears in the bottom tier of multiple UK reliability surveys. In the Honest John Satisfaction Index 2025, the Mercedes A-Class and C-Class both appear near the bottom of reliability rankings. The C-Class brought over 22% of owners' repair bills above £1,500. The A-Class generates consistent complaints about infotainment failures and electrical problems. The badge costs money to buy. It costs considerably more to keep. A Toyota at the same price costs a fraction of the Mercedes in maintenance over 5 years. Number 8. The Vauxhall Mokka, 2021 onwards. The Mokka earned its place on this list through the same route as its smaller sibling. According to the Honest John Satisfaction Index, the Vauxhall Mokka sits third from bottom in reliability rankings across the entire UK car market. The Corsa is last. The Mokka is third from last. Both carry the same badge. The Mokka was redesigned and relaunched in 2021 as a bold, stylish alternative to the Nissan Juke and Ford Puma. The styling was a genuine step forward. The reliability record was not. Owners report electrical issues, software faults, and a dealer experience that several describe as indifferent when problems arise. At a similar price, a Kia Sportage comes with a 7-year warranty and a top-tier reliability record. The Mokka photographs well in the showroom. The gap shows in the 2 years after. Number 7. The Land Rover Discovery Sport, 2019 to 2023. Land Rover's entry-level SUV appears near the bottom of multiple UK reliability surveys in 2026. The Discovery Sport scored 17.2 out of 100 in the Warranty-Wise Reliability Index. That is one of the lowest scores recorded for any used car in Britain. Electrical faults, suspension issues, and software problems are the consistent pattern across owner reports. The specific delusion is that buyers believe they are getting Land Rover capability at a more sensible price. The reliability data says they are getting Land Rover problems at a more sensible price. Those are not the same thing. Parts are expensive. Dealers are indifferent. The warranty runs out before the problems stop arriving. Number 6. The Nissan Juke from 2011 to 2019, original generation. The original Juke was the car that started a design argument nobody has fully settled. When it launched in 2011, it was unlike anything else on British roads. That distinction has not aged well. According to What Car Reliability data published in January 2026, the petrol-engined Nissan Juke is among the worst offenders for repair costs. 60% of faults cost more than £1,500 to fix, and only 30% of cars were repaired under warranty at no charge. The original Juke is heavily represented in the affordable used market. That is the trap. Repair costs do not adjust to match the purchase price. A £3,000 Juke with a transmission problem requires the same fix as a £10,000 one. Many buyers learn this after signing. Number 5. The Vauxhall Corsa from 2019 onwards, current generation. The Vauxhall Corsa was rated the least reliable car in the United Kingdom in the Honest John Satisfaction Index. Not one of the least reliable, the least reliable. Last place. 1 in 5 Corsa drivers reported reasons to question the car's reliability. It also finished last for overall ownership satisfaction. The Corsa is one of the most popular cars in Britain. The people buying it are frequently those with the tightest budgets, first gears, urban runarounds, affordable transport for people who need it to work. The reliability data says the car most likely to leave them with an unexpected repair bill is the one they chose because they could not afford an unexpected repair bill. In gray, on a PCP at 53. This is the car that made the joke before he arrived. If you have been nodding along and you want to know which 3 cars on British roads are genuinely worth buying, subscribe now before we get to them. Every week we go through the data that showrooms hope you never look at before you sign. The final 5 cars on this list include one that the manufacturer's own president was fined over, and one that costs a quarter of the price of the others and performs better than most of them. Number 4. The MG ZS EV from 2021 to 2023. The MG ZS Electric arrived as the affordable electric SUV answer. Chinese-owned, competitively priced, reasonably spec'd, and aggressively marketed. At a time when electric vehicle ownership was being pushed hard in the UK, the ZS EV at around £25,000 looked like the sensible entry point. According to PIP Cars reliability data for 2026, the MG ZS scores poorly across multiple reliability metrics. The battery management software has generated consistent complaints. The interior build quality has disappointed owners who expected more for their money. And the depreciation has been severe, with the ZS EV among the worst performers in the electric vehicle segment for retained value, which was already a segment with significant depreciation pressure. The ZS has delivered the depreciation of an electric vehicle, with the reliability record of a budget brand still building its quality control infrastructure. Neither of the promises held. Number 3. The BMW 1 Series from 2012 to 2019 with a private number plate. You have seen this car. The private plate on a 10-year-old BMW 1 Series that says something like B16 Dan or J4 MES. The plate was purchased to signal that the car is newer than it is. Everyone who looks at the car understands exactly what the plate was purchased to do. A man driving an older BMW without apology reads well. He knows what he has. The same car with the purchase plate says he noticed the age, it bothered him. And he spent money on a solution that made the problem more visible. The transaction is legible. It is the transaction people mention on the way home from the pub. The decision is visible to every driver it passes. Number 2. The Range Rover Evoque from 2012 to 2018, used and on the edge of budget. The used Range Rover Evoque at £10,000 to £12,000 is one of the most common purchases made by British drivers who want Range Rover for less than Range Rover money. The monthly insurance, the service costs, and the parts bills arrive at Range Rover prices regardless of what was paid for the car. Land Rover reliability data places the Evoque near the bottom of UK surveys consistently. Insurance on a vehicle that theft statistics have made a serious risk in many postcodes is a cost the purchase price did not advertise. The depreciation on the remaining value runs faster than any outstanding finance is paid down. British drivers over 50 can read this calculation in 10 seconds. The man trying to look comfortable in a car, he is not quite comfortable affording. He has been mentioned. Make sure you are not the one being mentioned. Number 1. The Vauxhall Corsa Electric from 2020 to 2023. This is the car that combines every problem on this list into a single purchase. The Vauxhall Corsa Electric was sold at around £29,000 new, nearly 3 times the price of its petrol equivalent. According to AutoHit's UK car depreciation data, published in February 2026, the Vauxhall Corsa Electric retains just 28% of its original value after 3 years. A £29,000 car is worth approximately £8,300 after 36 months. That is a loss of over £20,000. £20,000 in 3 years on a car that simultaneously sits in last place in Britain's reliability surveys. The buyer of a new Vauxhall Corsa Electric in 2021 paid a premium for an electric drivetrain in a car with Vauxhall's reliability record at a time when electric vehicle depreciation was unknown. They received the worst available outcome in every category simultaneously: maximum depreciation, minimum reliability, and a car that the market subsequently decided was worth less than a third of its original price. The data was available before signing. Nobody looked at it. Number 3. The Dacia Duster, 2018 onwards. The Duster offers genuine ground clearance, 4-wheel drive, and a 5-year warranty when new, under £20,000. Warranty-wise, data places Dacia among the lowest cost of ownership per mile on British roads. Motoring journalists condescend to it. Sensible drivers buy it and spend the difference on something worth spending money on. Number 2. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, from 2019 onwards. Toyota hybrid technology has been in mass production since 1997. The RAV4 Hybrid runs a mature, well-understood system with a documented reliability record across millions of cars. According to AutoHit depreciation data, Toyota models retain value at significantly above the market average. The RAV4 Hybrid holds approximately 55% of its value after 3 years, while the Vauxhall Corsa Electric holds 28%. It costs more to buy. It costs considerably less to own over 5 years when depreciation, fuel, and unscheduled maintenance are calculated honestly. Number 1. The Mazda MX5, any generation, any year, owned outright. The MX5 is the car that makes every problem on this list irrelevant by asking a different question. Not which car signals the right thing to the most people. Which car do you actually want to drive? A man in his 50s in a well-kept MX5 with the roof down is not performing ownership. He is not signaling anything. He made a decision and he is in it completely. No calculation is visible. No aspiration is strained. 2 seats, rear-wheel drive, a manual gearbox that communicates, and a used market price between £7,000 and £15,000. It does not try to impress. That is precisely why it does. Subscribe if this found you. Every week, we go through the numbers that the forecourt hopes you never look at.